All right. What's the goals? What's your favorite feature so far?
No goals. We're here. We're just here. All I wanted to do is be here. We're here. Whatever else happens, happens. So,
what's some of the favorite things, new things about the VK that you like?
I like how it sounds. We'll see about the burnout. I'll tell you more after this pass. That thing is fast. Holy crap. Oh, we'll see what we got to the 8. Not bad for a first lap, no matter what it was. It left. It wheelied. Wheelie control caught it. Got it going. Well, it feels like it picked up where it left off. Freaking ridiculous. 4 valves, man. 4 valves. Got it. I didn't expect it to do any of that. I expected it to blow up because I built it. But that's how this goes. I don't know. I think it went 470. That's my goal. That's my guess. It should be a heck of an off-the-trailer deal. I don't know. Like, I haven't made a pass since November either, so it's like gives you a little jade, and you get in. It's like, oh, this thing feels so good. Oh, it'd be 530. Like, you know?
It went faster than little gangsters.
I don't know. We'll see here in a minute, though. Hopefully. Woo! Really?
Yeah, no.
What'd you do?
463 at 130. I was out 130. Holy, 463 at 130.
Oh my
How the